Hey everybody, Phil back again, doing a few more videos here. Hope y'all are doing well. This is a Bruder 1/16 scale backhoe. I got it off eBay for 25 bucks. It's used condition, but it's in pretty good condition. The only thing that doesn't really work right is this boom arm back here. It's not exactly right there, but I think it's missing a piece or something. I'm not sure, but other than that, it ain't that bad. It's a decent little Bruder piece. It's pretty clean as far as everything else, but I think it must be missing a piece there or something. I think, anyway. We'll measure it front to back here real quick, see where we're at. Back to front, about 15 and a half. Height is about 6 and a quarter. Decent sized for what it is. It's not too bad. We'll take a quick look at it here. It's predominantly all plastic. It's Bruder. The tires are rubber though. There's the boom arm with the bucket on the back. See that little piece sticking out? I don't know. Oh, he stays up. If that's pushed in, it stays up. It stiffens it. I see. That little plastic piece inside there. It'll reach out pretty far. Go all the way out, really. That's when that piece comes out, and it won't stand up. But if you push that down in there, I see now it stands up. Here's the brace feet on the back. Here's inside the cab there a little bit. JCB brand. There's the loader part on the front there. Pretty cool. Goes raise up. All that stuff. Axle solid, doesn't turn on the front. Tires are kind of a diamond tread almost. Rear wheels and tires, same thing, diamond tread type style. Pretty cool little backhoe for what it was for $25. Like I said, predominantly all plastic. I think the axles in there are probably metal connecting the wheels, but other than that, predominantly all plastic. Rubber tires is nice though on these. I've noticed all the Bruders plastic. It's just like the big farm stuff, I guess you could say. Alright everyone, I'll close out my video here. Thank you all for tuning in. This is Phil for Records of the Past. Y'all have a blessed day. We'll talk again soon.